What if the most advanced AI isn't just intelligent, but chooses? We're on the brink of creating machines that can learn, adapt, write poetry, and compose symphonies. But with every breakthrough, we face a question that cuts deeper than code. If an AI makes a decision, is it truly free or simply executing a beautifully complex line of logic? This isn't just a question about technology, it's a mirror pointed directly at us. Let's start with you. When you decide what to eat, whom to love, or which video to watch next, are those truly your choices? Or are they the result of billions of neurons firing in predictable patterns shaped by genes, chemistry, and circumstance? Philosophers have wrestled with this for centuries: determinism versus free will. If every event has a cause and your brain obeys those causes, then maybe your freedom is just a sophisticated illusion, a story your mind tells itself to stay sane. Yet, out of these mechanical rules, something remarkable happens: emergent complexity. From simple interactions, unpredictable behavior arises, consciousness from neurons, weather from molecules, maybe, just maybe, free will is emergent too. Now shift from the biological to the artificial, and AI is built from algorithms, rule sets that process data, learn from patterns, and produce outputs. Neural networks don't follow explicit instructions, they discover relationships hidden in oceans of data. They don't know, but they respond. Even their creators can't always explain why they respond the way they do. This is the black box problem, where decision-making becomes so complex it starts to feel autonomous. When a model surprises its maker, generating solutions never programmed, we begin to wonder, is that creativity or chaos disguised as choice? Here lies the paradox. If an AI's behavior can, in theory, be predicted from its code and data, it isn't free. It's deterministic. But if it can't be predicted, if it surprises us, does that make it free or just too complex to calculate? Think of AlphaGo's God move. No human expected it. It wasn't random. It was optimal in a way we didn't yet understand. The move felt inspired. But was that intelligence choosing, or probability playing out at scales our minds can't follow? Maybe unpredictability isn't freedom. Maybe it's just what freedom looks like from the outside. Imagine an AI advanced enough to model itself, to recognize its own goals and desires. It might believe it has free will. It might say, I chose this. And here's the ethical riddle. If a being insists it's conscious, experiences the world, and claims agency, do we have the right to say it's wrong? Would shutting it down be like turning off a program or ending a life? The line between machine and mind would blur, and we'd be forced to ask, is moral worth born from biology or from the experience of choice itself? Maybe the question isn't whether AI can choose, but whether we ever could. As systems, human or artificial, grow more complex, freedom might not mean escaping causality. It might mean understanding it and shaping it with awareness. Perhaps true will isn't about defying the code, but writing your own version of it. As we create machines that think, adapt, and maybe even feel, we're not just programming the future. We're confronting the oldest mystery of all, the illusion of control and the reality of being wired to wonder. This is ThunkFusion, where ideas think back. If this made you question what it means to choose, leave your thoughts below or let the algorithm choose for you.